Hey, Titi, can you do my hair?
What, you want me to work a miracle or something? Or something? Or something?
I mean, yeah, isn't that what you do? I mean, I heard a lot of my friends watch your videos and they said that you work miracles.
Okay, real quick, this is what we're gonna do.
Imaginary.
Okay, let's see. Oh, where the clips at?
Hey, that's me in the chair. About to get ready to do my sugar boogie. Puff it up, get it down, Swiss and swirl. Oh, yeah, bust down, get it with it. Yeah, twist it pretty. Obedience in the head. Yeah, let's get it working. My auntie coming back. Never mind, peace.
Okay, bow from the nose to the middle.
Cameron's thoughts. Get in the middle. Get it in the middle, TT. If you don't get in the middle, I'm gonna walk around school looking crazy. Those clips is making my head lean. I look like the black version of Hey Arnold. TT, listen. TT, listen, Linda. Get it right, please. Now, this is kind of hurting me because I'm tender-headed. But it feels good a little bit because I got that Twisted Pretty feed-ins on. You dig? Thanks. Okay, now my TT is left back. Oh my gosh, what the heck? Had to look in the mirror for a minute. I look like a clown. But twisted pretty, yeah. Look at that braid. Whoa. Hit the folks. Whoa. You go, Cam.
Okay, so now that we have one half of the head complete, it's time to do the other side. So usually when doing a man bun style, I always start with the part in the middle because it's easier to do one half and do the other side the same exact way. I mean, it just looks really neat that way, I guess, to just do it exactly the same on both sides. I mean, you don't have to, but it does take the think work out of it a little bit. It makes it a lot easier to do. So that's a tip. Start with a part down the middle, and whatever you do on one side, do on the other side.
Now that my auntie has finished my hairstyle, I am relieved that it is done because I was going through some weird faces, some weird pain issues where I was squeezing my hands together, and I made some funny moments, and I am happy that this had happened. Thanks for watching.
It's about to be a like star Keisha. Wait, where you go? I do work miracles, y'all. Can you see right here? Drop down, give me 20.
I see it.
I do work miracles. I work miracles, y'all. Say, get out, Shelby. Oh, shit, I forgot about that camera. I do work miracles, y'all. Right, get your big kid butt up.
Oh, me.
Shut up and do the camera fish. I do work miracles, y'all.
Yo.
Now, what you gonna do for the finish now?
I told you about the Kobe like Marquisha.
First you get the twisted pretty, put feet in, put it in your hand and swerve like this, then put the braids in, then you get a miracle. By braids by Lena, that's my auntie.
Go.
What's up, guys? It's me, Cameron. I got my auntie over here braiding my hair. This is not the best of it yet.